Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren relaunches Manipur helicopter service today. Heli service now available from Imphal to Ziribam, Tamenglong, More, Parbung and Thanlon. Revenue Minister Karam Shyam gives appointment letters to 26 people for various posts in Revenue Department under Dine Harness scheme. All India Youth Federation all set to raise standard drop at higher secondary school girl student death case at national level. And Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar says doctors and nurses who lack professional ethics in handling patients invite unwanted incidents. Hello, welcome to Back News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjim with the headlines in details. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has relaunched Manipur helicopter service today. Heli service is now available from Imphal to Ziribam, Tamenglong, More, Parbung and Thanlon. Speaking at the event held at Imphal International Airport, the Chief Minister assured that government will launch heli service in Ukhrul and Mao in the near future. He maintained that helicopters of Global Vectra Helicob Limited utilized in the current heli service can carry on board 8 to 12 passengers at one go. Biren asserted that as per a contract signed by the government, heli service will be fully functional in Manipur by March 3, 2020. Chief Minister Biren also stated that the heli service will offer options for Imphal city tour and sightseeing of tourist sites in the state like the Loktak Lake. Biren mentioned that the contract signed between state government and Pawan Hans, the earlier heli service provider, ended on February 9th and due to imposition of election model code of conduct, the heli service could not be resumed earlier. He also disclosed that Centre has sanctioned a budget of 600 crore rupees to renovate the front part of Imphal International Airport by building a new landing site. He said that flight services will be available to various locations from the airport, including Imphal Silchar and Imphal Dibrugarh. Chief Minister Biren also stated that state government is urging the centre to start Imphal to Mandalay flight service at the earliest. Revenue Minister Karam Shyam handed over appointment letters to 26 people for various posts in the Revenue Department under Dine Harness scheme today. Speaking at the event held at the Minister's Secretariat, Minister Karam Shyam stated that the department recruited employees in a transparent way after Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren's earnest drive for a better governance and public welfare. It may be mentioned that the Revenue Department in February this year recruited 33 people for various posts under the scheme.
Manipur Sarkar ki side gi mari lenabo authority ai samona mayam gi interest sumaina tawjari ba thabak se ayang punsi da kaudana ai sa gi responsibility diet loba kanda di matama da khoina sahi manga tara ngai ra ba thabak tu piba kanda yamna thamoi sengna tawbirakibado akoi su laipak praja gi state sigi di any praja gi interest la ba thabak singda koi pending thamdana the Praja interest the Tabak Dogni have a wakalondo, Matam Supata, Lehaningi, Kawaningi, Aduna, a quick kudima, Aigi post big part Saubu from late. I wonder Pireva responsibility, Aigi died at all. Masak Kangna, Aina died a Kangna, Tabak Doragati, state say no with the Saukatpa, mangjin thaba state ama oirakadabani haibase adugi wakalon dumadi matam supuda koi
Mohammad Salatur Rahman, who got appointment letter for a LDC post today, expressed extreme happiness that he got the job after a long wait of 10 years without any bribery.
Hi, Ribai, Tabakasi, Mamangi, Degi Sahitarang Pasida, Mamangi Sarkar, Nasumaina Amaputa Kide. Adu Laiba Sarkar, Yen de Sarkar Sinaikoi, Sumain Dine, Hanes Pangbasi, Lai Laina, Sien Amta Sangdana. Hangan bibagi damak lady ba staff sing an honorable minister immunity department gi pawung sambuso han thakasa.
Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayanta urged doctors and nurses to keep professional ethics to avoid any unwanted incidents. Speaking at the inaugural event of the newly constructed District Early Intervention Center and Palliative Care Center at Ukhrul District Hospital organized by Ukhrul National Health Mission, Manipur today, Minister Jayanta further urged doctors and nurses not to betray themselves by refusing to take postings in remote places. The minister maintained that the newly opened centers will greatly benefit residents of the district. He appealed to staffs of the hospital and people of the district to keep up cordial relation with each other. MLA of Ukhrul Alfred Kangram Arthur, State Mission Director of National Health Mission Manipur, Dr. S. Manikanta, and eminent members of Ukhrul District Administration attended the event.
Karigumba Tanjama the Kamato get Shibakanda, family Kambusing, Dr. Funi and Dr. Fuva, Strike Toba, Bantova, Dr. Nasumu Counter Banamuta for Dr. Furi Havaki. Karigumba instance, some of the patient to the Siraba, but Imung the Nakamato, Doctor the Koramo Kapagabago, Mawanda, give people Yahweh. Karigano, but my last moment, Dr. Nana carefully Luinavi. I know what is the difference between these two doctors? Same medicine applied to same injection, same diagnosis, but can you get psychological Shida, Amadunan Minungsi, Plunani Yangi, Amana Minungsi Yautani Yangi. Nurse Kangde, Doctor Kangde, any lapi and a Kanjagama, the transport Gipaganda, when Kalisi, I MLA, I had MLA, I minister MLA in Haraka Kamatoga, my Lopito state of Domini. Look at it, no any promise told me, I humanity cause it on Saptoni and Havata Kamatoga. You are betrayed.
Members of All India Youth Federation AIYF has condemned that state government did not even try to uncover the mystery behind the death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School. AIYF members have warned to raise the issue at the national level. Speaking to media at Irabad Bhavan today, Federation National Vice President Chinkam Sarat condemned the government for failing to solve the death mystery even after more than a month. Stating that similar incidents had occurred earlier in the state, Sarat asserted that AIYF will raise the issue at the national level during the National Council meeting of the Federation at Hyderabad from August 26 till 28.
Akoi state level khaktangi wafam natna akoi mamang da su pau EP duna akoi national level da All India Youth Federation national da akoi pau pi ki basu leire aduga lakliba tang kun ga taruk kun terek kuningan nipal si Himet Nagar Magdum Bhavan Hyderabad ta pangthok kadriba akoi national working committee lona national council meeting asida mahaki asengba langalanjin puthokpa ngamdriba asigi matang sida marik chumba report thamjaraba matungda akoi national gi thakta kari tabo yabage haibadu national level da pukatpa yaba issue kya pukachaduna mihat asigi amasung mahak matanta sijabra haibagi asengba langalanjin puthokpada saruk kharado issue ya.
Members of Naharo Laisemba Club, Thangmai Bansinam Laikai and women organization of the locality have launched relay hunger strike at the club office demanding justice for the deceased girl student of Standard Robert and to release the arrested members of the JAC against the suspicious death of the girl student. Taking part in the hunger strike, S. Bino Laima condemned that government arrested members of the JAC and Thangmaiban United Club who played major role in to strive to bring justice to the girl. She warned of intense agitations if authority concerned failed to release them unconditionally.
ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯙꯔꯅꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯆꯔꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯅ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯇꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁ ꯀꯥꯞꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯕꯣꯝ ꯂꯪꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯣꯛ ꯑꯄꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯇꯨꯝ ꯊꯥꯗꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯅ ꯇꯪꯈꯥꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯍꯣꯡꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯔꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯅ ꯙꯔꯅꯥ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯪꯂꯥ ꯂꯪꯖꯤꯜ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 5ꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯊꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ
Mayropai of Kewa Company in Kundrakpam constituency of Imphal East District also ceased work and staged a protest demonstration today, demanding justice for the deceased girl student today. Protesters chanted various slogans during the protest meet, organized by Chanura Chowkhat Kongthang Loop at the community hall of the locality. Members of committees of civil societies, Kanglei Park, CCSK have asserted that people of Manipur have no objection to finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks between Indian government and NSC and IM. However, the people will not remain silent if the peace talks conclusion ever threatens the territorial integrity of Manipur. Speaking to media at CCSK office in New Chekon today, CCSK President Jitendra Ningombam stated that the peace talk may be culminating soon in the wake of appointment of interlocutor R.N. Ravi as Nagaland governor, reiterating that there is no objection to finalization of the long-pending peace talks. Jitendra Ningombam expressed apprehension over possible bifurcation of Manipur state like the recent bifurcation of Jammu and Kashmir into union territories after abrogation of Indian Constitution's Article 370 and 35 Clause A. He urged both the ruling and opposition parties of the state to hold in-depth discussion on the same to protect Manipur's integrity.
Tungan community mayamong punsilaga leiriba aikoi Manipur gumba state sidadi community amakaki yengaga madugi solution purna hona matamda lemhoriba community mayam singduna soidana madugi reaction lakane 2001 da thokiba choba koi June 18 gi adugum laba khoi thogdu kanagum community amagi mayoktinati aikoi people singna Manipur gi miyam singna horidu aikoi Manipur jibu thugaina honerba adugum madudane aikoina hairise aduna aikoi Manipur gi miyamna ngasisu leptuna leiri aikoi karigidamta aikoi gi integrity kai integrity is the makal ani thona khadok yai amana physical gi oiba integrity hai tare boundary gi oiba amana administration gi oiba khoi gi integrity hai tare masi gi pose khoi kahin busunga ya.
Laborers at Ziribam FCI have ceased work strike demanding authority concerned to raise their wages. Speaking to media at the Labour Rest House of CAF and PD, Laborers Welfare Association in Sangai Pro today, President of the association, Esther Chandra, condemned the contractor MSNR Mathai Enterprises failed to increase their wages despite repeated pleas. He asserted that state FCI go down will also join in the protest until their demands are met.
Middleman amakhangna thabak lepigay manung sida silchar dagi FCI gi labor nek laga thabak chunana bagi akanba ithillama pirakhi Madugi mayokta koina akanba kaya thengnaki hairiba khongjang asida mai paklaktaba gi mami ama lakpasida sangai bro da leiriba FCI labor union asina su khongjang asi ngasi tarik 28 sidagi khongjang yauksalagani amasung thabak lepagi thabak asi haure ngasi dagi haujare
48-hour general strike on National Highway 102 Imphal More Road from 5 a.m. today till 5 a.m. of August 23rd, called by various civil society organizations condemning the alleged hindrance and threats to commuters by personnel of 43 Assam Rifles of Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 1 affected normal life in More town today. Members of Hill Tribal Council More, Kuki Women Union and Human Rights, Kuki Student Organization More, More Youth Club and all More Traders Association shut down More town and blocked the national highway since early today. Government offices, educational institutions, post office, banks, hotels and all shops remain closed. Vehicles remained off Imphal More Road and business transactions came to a standstill. Band supporters vandalized Assam Rifles bunker set up at a public waiting shed near More Gate number 1. Police team led by SP Technopal Tej Bikramjit met the agitators at Hill Tribal Council More office and urged them to end the strike. However, no resolution came and hence the band continues. On the other hand, Assam Rifles Authority in telephonic conversation with Impact News asserted that search operation at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 1 and 2 is necessary for the security of the country and will continue to do so. A man was found dead in a suspicious manner at his own residence near Ibuthau Chingkai Ningthau Iben Thau Thambal, Lairembi in Yaurabung Kunau under Lamlai Police Station of Imphal East District today. Deceased is identified as 30-year-old Nauribam Hemon, son of Poko. According to the Impact News sources, family members found lifeless Hemon on his bed around 11 a.m. Lamlai Police Station team and a team of forensic experts rushed to the spot and inspected the crime scene. They transported the body to RIMS morgue for investigation. And on the note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 61st Foundation Day celebration of Manipur College. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Manipur College held its 61st Foundation Day celebration at the college multi-purpose hall today. Taking part in the event, MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan stressed the need to contemplate on an ideal Manipur and aware the youths on the same. Nothing that a female students dominate the male students in excellence. Dr. R.K. Ranjan lauded female students of the college for the outstanding performance. Meritorious students of the college and winners of various events held during the college week were felicitated on the occasion. Educational Guide Center, Taubal Mojing, held its Silver Jubilee Celebration Come 25th Annual Prize Distribution to Meritorious Students of 2019 today. AB Examination 2019 Award was also presented on the occasion. Manipur's first Judicial Academy is coming up at the site earlier reserved for an eco park at Corbett Lake at the entry of Omba Garden near Moirang Takmu of Bishnupur district. Judges led by Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur, Ramalingam Sudharkar, inspected the site today. Government will construct a judicial academy under its 14th Finance Commission, and the academy requires land areas of 50 acres. There is possibility for the academy to upgrade it to a national law university. Speaking on the sidelines of the inspection visit, Chief Justice Ramalingam Sudharkar stated that the site will hold a judicial academy and a national school of law. Speaking to media, Moirang MLA P. Sadachandra, who was a part of the inspection team, is sure to promote pisciculture practice at the Loktak Lake and to upgrade Bishnupur into a modern district.
The purpose of the visit to Loktak area is to identify land for the purpose of Judicial Academy and also for establishing the National Law School at for Manipur. We have also impressed upon the MLA of this region to take serious interest in dredging and improving the Loktak Lake and also provide facilities for the people to develop it into a model district by creating infrastructure for greenhouse development of vegetables, pisciculture.
CI College Student Union Bishnupur organized a district-level painting competition on the theme We have only one Earth, let's save it from pollution, at the seminar hall of CI College in Bishnupur today. Attending the event, Oinam MLA El Ratha Kishore, who is also the chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, stated that the competition aimed to spread awareness on environment protection of students. More than 500 students from 31 schools participated in the painting competition sponsored by Manipur Pollution Control Board. Winners of the competition also received prizes on the occasion. Members of All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Amawova conducted one-day awareness program on crime against women and children at Scenic View Get Well School in Hotel today. Resource person at the event, social scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, condemned those men who are not able to accord high status to women. He also asserted that boarding wardens should know early suicidal tendencies of their words.
Ai nangi khunai jida nupana ngammaga chatpa khunai jidagi aikoina moigi damakta phai phate ni yengbi ba dugumba gender discrimination duna nupi oiba mayam jingsigi makhongji singdar ga kakak mayam du loi mangal lagadi khunai dugi human resource development da sama gi manung da yakhai khak thabak toraga yakhai emna mangan baje asing ba khunai natte haris masigi maleng bilai ba thak sako aina hairiti nupi du ngoksin na ba khopra loi yare habena tab aikoina Thainagi yengba miyeng do ngasigi nupi de yengba yaroi habeneba nupi jingje nang tobonga moi ga na khallaga khoina sum lebse nupi ni na moi da yamna aruba sinaba kana de daga haibe yaroi maramdi nupa de gi nupi ni yam heleba khangba kalba su heli lan thabak su tawde Manipur gi MLA humpu leise nupi ga ta lehela corruption
3-day off-campus training program on income generation through on-farm, off-farm and non-farm activities kicked off at Kainau Thongkha Community Hall in Bishnupur district today. Directorate of Research and Directorate Extension Education Central Agricultural University, Manipur, organized a program sponsored by CCS, National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, Jaipur. Speaking at the event, Vice Chancellor of Central Agricultural University, Imphal, Professor M. Premjit stressed the need to revolutionize agricultural practice with modern technology to enhance production for sustainability. He maintained that over-dependency to other states drains away wealth of the state.
Hariba Lomigi Masama Susan Shina, Loina Motnasagi, agriculture farming, Tadoka, Secretary, and say Manipur Gumba, a paper state state, a Koigi, Sada, Sana, Tanama Potsation, Shima, Panishum, Pusila Taragati, I quite a target, Pisham, Shima Panda Secretary, other than Lairaba state,
Apunba Lining Hull Ningsing Taurang Loop observed the 132nd birth anniversary of Lining Hull Pundrai Pulo at the Community Hall of Kangabok, Lamlong Kunau in Taubal district today. Taking part in the event, Revenue Minister Karam Shyam stressed the need for the people to acknowledge and preserve one's own history and identity. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of Lining Hull Pulo on the occasion. Mother Care Children Hospital and Research Center cum Imphal Heart Institute at Sagolban Moirang Lairak has successfully conducted transcatheter aortic valve replacement for the first time in Northeast India. Speaking to media at Classic Hotel in North AOC today, Managing Director of the Institute, Dr. Kumanthem Ratan Kumar, stated that a joint team led by 2 doctors of Imphal Heart Institute, interventional cardiologist Dr. K. Jelen and cardiac surgeon Dr. Athoba Arambam carried out a surgery on a 65-year-old woman on August 7th. Dr. Kumanthem Ratan Kumar stated that the hospital carried out an operation which cost around 20 to 30 lakhs in other hospitals of the country for 20 lakhs. He maintained that the hospital has all the equipment required for the operation and 20 intensive cardiac care units.
Sigi procedure si akoigi India da cat lab haibadi akoi cardiology intervention tauba mafam si around 1400 to 1500 lay high procedure si di around 30 mutu da tawe mafam ayam da tomna daba aduna akoigi Manipur su adumba mayam di manung da ama wani yoksal e hana koin su hajenegi aduga kaigumba Manipur ki praja ki maraksida aortic valve ki akhuba Amna Satina Kuba, Ansing Oiba, Sugumba population Regadi, Sajidi the Karta, but the surgery over the Henry Stable Regadi, Sigi procedures say Mapansa Tagasu, Koi Manipuda, Koi Mokto, the
aortic valve replacement therapy, Pazana whole team can't over the Kata, Adokoi, Sida Yam successfully Tongame, confidential in the Togi, surgical backup, Pazana, whole team ready, any moment, Kanum Topa, Kudak, within 5 minutes, the OT, Manum the Changa Hanga ready.
State Directorate of Ayush distributed free homeopathy medicine Belladonna 200 to prevent Japanese encephalitis to residents of Tangmeiban constituency today. Members of Apunban Haro, Yaipa, Tausil, Kanglup, ANYTK Tangmeiban organizes distribution event at ANYTK ground. Society for Health and Education Pangai observed World Senior Citizens Day 2019 at Ram School in Pangai today. A free medical camp exclusively for senior citizens was held at the event. Doctors conducted free nerve tests, blood pressure tests, ECG, thyroid tests and sugar tests and provided free medicines to senior citizens in the camp. Taking part in the camp, Vice President of Kishan Morcha BJP Manipur Pradesh convener of Medical Cell, Dr. K.S.H. Kala, urged youths to care and nurture senior citizens with love. He also urged senior citizens to relax and to refrain from doing heavy works.
Senior citizen mayamsiki poptashi loraga issue mayamsi problem solve torineba aduna ngasigi team the money haji senior citizen mayamsingje tongana society je tahanbignu makhoise akhoi society yahamyu family ki problem tholop matam society ki problem tholop matam community ki ine irang thol matam na makhoi ki mateng lobyu makhoi je punchi je changbang hingmang amnengta matam chupa akhoi na moji kya lobyu akhoi na ngasi thoi irang mayamse
Chief Minister's brother Nongthom Bamboy alias Rajendro along with ADM Thaubal, L. Radhakanta and a team of SP Thaubal today visited a poverty-stricken mother and her 3 children who tried to commit suicide by consuming poison on August 19 at Kangabok Sanilo Leikai in Thaubal district. The visiting team provided food for the family. District Administration Thaubal will also start constructing a house for the family tomorrow, as instructed by Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin. Helping Hands Service Manipur has launched an authorized distributor outlet for Daddy Road, a USA-based company in the state today. Speaking at the event held at Karapung Community Hall in Malom Tulihal, Makalaikai, Managing Director of Helping Hands Service Manipur, Konthojam Premji asserted that Daddy Road will make available vehicle tracking device for all types of vehicles and QR decal sticker to help in curbing prevalent traffic congestions in the state. He asserted that application of the stickers will make sure safety to vehicles through a mobile app.
Gari sigi mapu singa khudak pau phawna ba yaba adugumba system amani. This road se koi apps samana gani apps mobile apps sama apps download to bige do bani download to matam du da high registration chi to do bani kana gumba apps download mobile di yaw bi amana sigi gari ama parking lana haram tarapte magi apps to do da akoi scanner gi batama mayaw gani ba scanner gi batam se on to bakan du da magi scanner on to rani aduga sigi barcode da thang law na koi scan to bakan da mobile app to da option ani ohum pirakani amana parking issue accident haidana ana koina parking issue ne na parking issue da talon tas to bi ba matam du da kamai to ge bo immediate instantly gari owner to da notification zakrani.
And now the sports news. 9th Sector Assam Rifles accorded a warm welcome to Tangkhul woman Lydia Simpri, who bagged a gold medal in the World Police and Fire Game 2019 held at Sichuan, Chengdu in China from August 8 till 18 upon her arrival at Imphal International Airport today. She was a part of the Indian National Police team and bagged 1 gold medal and 2 silver medals in traditional longbow archery and 3D archery events. Lydia Shimprui is a notable archer who has participated in many state and national level tournaments and has brought laurels for the state and for the country. Social Environment Development Organization SEDO Mayang Imphal felicitated winners of 3rd Junior Nations Cup 2019 held in Barva, Serbia from August 12 to 19. Huidrom Ambesori, who bagged gold in 57 kg, Chongtham Bishwanath, who bagged a silver in 48 kg, and Saikom Victor, who bagged a bronze medal in 52 kg category, got a warm reception at Mayang Imphal Thana Awang Laikai Community Hall today. Mayang Imphal MLA cum Deputy Speaker Kongkham Rabindro, Mayang Imphal Police Station SDPO Augustine Lenmintang, Officer in Charge Oi Joy Mongol, Secretary of Sarita Regional Boxing Academy CH Thoiba, Secretary General of Manipur Amateur Boxing Association Khoibi Salam, and many people in the area attended the event.
Sarkar su pulak mating tongum daba leriba akoi academic ya na su pokoi su pulak putoga huge amount ngoi na pun su tongum daba yara kati sugumba player apauba talented whatever players in whether yengul be khambani lekai da angang sanari myam se isai sana yengul be khambani karamna farakani ka provoina sugumba players in se koi myam na angang ngamba paisa gi mating pangami mating natraga idea putokong ya ba angam mating puroga makoi ingapada sayo tumle seba hayeng mara michet porokpa hayeng mara akoi gi lekai sida makoi na michet porok matamda angang tari makoi myam se makoi na sab manaba discipline da makoi na togi do makoi na takui duneba.
Imphal East District Badminton Association in a press release informed that selection for under-19 and senior team of the district of Isu Indoor Hall in Wangkai on August 24th. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren relaunches Manipur helicopter service today. Heli service now available from Imphal to Ziribam, Tamenglong, More, Parbung and Panmon. Revenue Minister Karam Shyam gives appointment letters to 26 people for various posts in Revenue Department under Die in Harness scheme. All India Youth Federation all set to raise Standard Robert Higher Secondary School girl student debt case at national level. And Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayanta Kumar says doctors and nurses who lack professional ethics in handling patients invite unwanted incidents.